Today we want to fill our values down, but we don't want to strictly use fill down command, because when I trying to fill down the types, I want to fill down fruits just to vegetables. Then I want to repeat vegetables and then other values we have here. And when we go to Home tab and choose Fill Down option, we just fill down the first cell from here. So we have to select all cells that are important for us here and then go Ctrl G, so go to Special, and we want to select blanks and press OK. And now we have selected empty cells. Now it's important we don't click anywhere, we just pressing equal sign and then up arrow. And now we have to use Ctrl Enter shortcut, and just like that we put formulas in all empty cells on the select range, and those formulas look at the cell above until they found the cell with value, so they will be copying this value down. So for example, here we have vegetables, and this is cell with vegetables as a value. So we have proper results, but we have to put this result as values, because when we change sorting order, we will have quite different results than before. So Ctrl Z, we have to select our range, Ctrl C, and then the simplest way is just to right click and paste as values. So 1, 2, 3 our cells, and now we have all cells with values, and they won't change if we sort our data.